Hello there everybody, Sam'sTrains here. Welcome back to the railway and welcome to another review. Up today I have a locomotive that I'm hoping will be a very unusual one. Look at this kid here. Is this what Piko imagined children to look like? There's something quite troubling. Is this how your hands look when you're playing trains? Yeah, I don't know, there's something very odd about that. That poor little kid, known forever as the slightly creepy looking child on the back of a Piko box, albeit a slightly creepy child with a borderline unhealthy interest in his toy trains. Rubber band, rubber bandified, rubber band, rubber belts, belt drives, rubber bands, rubber band, rubber bands, rubber bands, bands, rubber bands, bands. How many times can I say rubber bands? There's probably going to be a video now on someone else's channel counting it up. Rubber bands, rubber bands, rubber bands, rubber bands, two rubber bands, rubber bands, rubber bands, rubber bands, rubber band, and rubber bands, rubber band, rubber band, rubber bands, rubber bands, rubber band, rubber bands. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. It was a bit of something different, that's for sure. And for that, I have enjoyed myself. So I'll see you on the next one. You take care, look after yourselves, and I'll see you soon. All right, cheers everybody.